So I'm headed to AutoZone to grab some low beam headlights. Wifey told me last night that these joints went out. If you do them yourself, it'll save you about $150, man. I think they the H11s. This is probably the second or third time I done did this. So yeah, headed to AutoZone to get these bulbs. Let's see what the end result is. I saved at least $100 by switching to Geico. You feel me? Nah, man, learn to do this stuff yourself. I cherish these moments personally. You know what I'm saying? Because Pops never taught me this stuff. You feel me? So these are the moments that God shows me. You know, showed me that I began to walk in the manhood, man. When you gotta get your knees dirty, you feel me? Your hands a little dirty, you feel me? But yeah, got the light bulbs, headed to the crib. Let's see what to do, man. So this is the stubborn light bulb that doesn't want to work. He's still blinking. So that's one, and that's two. That's it, really. Take out these two screws. This is the cat. So we're done. Man, only thing you gotta do is just put this back in there like so. Twist it, that's it. Put everything back together, man. 15, 30 minutes. Because my hand's so fat, 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying? But you say that bread, bruh. That's what it's all about. Yeah. Put them back in place. Game time.